Hi, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the month of December as well as getting ready for the week ahead. So the first thing I need to do is put in my little square down at the bottom for my December theme. And speaking of themes, I really wanted to do a Christmassy theme for December, and I was hoping that a Christmassy or even wintry journal pack would be released, but it wasn't. So in the end I went with geraniums, because my overarching theme for 2023 in my planner was plants, and I just thought maybe that would be a little nod to it. And I love all the colours and I'm happy with the way it looks. It was September 2022's theme for Hubman and Chubgirl, but the journaling pack is still available. So because it's 2022, it's a different layout. So there's icons at the bottom, whereas in the newer ones for this year they have a separate page for all the little shopping and grocery stuff. They're doodles rather than icons. And then the headers are slightly different. This page has doodles in it, but overall it's the same. You still get your days of the week and everything you need. It's just a slightly different format. And of all the 3 journal packs I've used, Cozy Cats was my favourite for the doodles, because all the little journaling cats and cats with coffee was cute. And then this one is actually my favourite for the functionals. I love how they look with the extra doodles at the side and the colours. So anyway, I printed in my little square and I forgot to put black around the outside. So I just used a uni pin in 0.3 to draw the edge, and you can't tell the difference. So that worked out well. I didn't need to waste the sticker paper. And then I picked one of the headers from the main sheet that says December and stuck it beside it. And as well as the little square that I get from the digital downloads from Hubman and Chubgirl, I was able to get this one, and these I've been putting at the side at the this month sort of section because I don't really need it, and that just fills that in and gives it a bit of interest. And then I actually have the washi. It's a duo set for the geraniums theme. One of them is a glitter effect washi that I use just above where this picture is. The other one is actually clear. I don't have any other washis like it. It's very unique. It's just clear, and then it has little hanging geraniums all along it. I use it along the bottom of the monthly. You'll see it in a second. But I'm just going to get down the days of the week and the dates. And then there are no birthdays in December, so instead of putting birthdays up at the top right, I used the December header, and then finally finished it off with some doodles.
I ain't never felt a kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stare a little more. I can't look away from those brown eyes. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. We can take our time, and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along. Darling, tell me all about the dreams you had last night. You can be so restless in your sleep. I ain't going nowhere, all this feels so very right. When you find good love, it's the one that you should keep. And if we settle down, we don't have to settle down. Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong.
These event stickers are from Coffee Monsters Co. I just purchased ones for 2024. I've mentioned it a couple of times, but I just love having these because you don't have to think about how to mark the events in your planners, but you can still make them special. I don't know where the little one was for boxing. I thought I had one with balloons that I could use for Boxing Day in my monthlies. So I just used this little emoji peeking around the corner that I had in my collection. Boxing Day is actually going to be the first day since I got married that it'll just be me and Stephen. I thought that we would maybe go away and stay overnight somewhere because, I don't know, the idea of it just being me and Stephen, maybe it's just because I'm not used to it, or even the fact that I would have to make the dinner. I don't know, maybe I'm just being a chicken and I should just try, because honestly I don't know if I'm going to be able to afford staying somewhere overnight, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, that is the monthly done. Back to the planning. I'm going to plan out the week ahead, and I've no idea what I did with the 27th, 28th and 29th sticker. So I'm just going to use the ones that were in the newer kit, because the Christmas week I actually accidentally bought a Hubman Weeks kit in a Christmas theme. So it worked out well then that I can just use that kit and some of my new Planner Monkey Co date dots on the week of Christmas, and that way I'll just have the Turanians theme for the rest of the weeks and I'll not run out of stickers that match the theme, if that makes sense. I really don't know what happened to them. It's just baffling me. I sat for ages thinking, what did I do with those numbers? So anyway, let's get all set up and planned out for the week ahead.
Take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever wanted and more.
And that is me all prepared and set up for the month of December. I can add things in as I go. And this is a very busy time for a lot of people, but here's your little reminder to step back and enjoy it as well. But thank you so much for watching, and take care, and I will speak to you really soon. Bye!
I know I've let you down.